Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan at sinusubaybay na Renzo Tarot Channel. May mega shoutout po sa lahat ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ating pong reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay isang bonus reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Sagittarius. Okay, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at gusto niyo po at di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-subscribe, mag-comment, like, and share. And of course, kapag sa TikTok account niyo po ito napapanood, ay huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-follow, mag-comment, and of course, like and share. And also, if you want to avail our personal reading, ay huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-direct message sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444. Okay? So, sige po, ulitin ko. This is for you, Sagittarius, Sun, Rising, and Venus sign. Kunin natin ang iyong 10 baraha. Sige. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, 10 cards please for Sagittarius. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, 10 cards please for Sagittarius. So maraming salamat po. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, you're happy. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon po ay hindi niyo po ako iniiwan. Thank you so much po. So, kompleto na yung 10 cards Sagittarius. Ayusin natin ng konti and I know that you're so excited at huwag nating patagalin pa, okay? For your bonus reading, Sagittarius, let's begin with your first card as a Queen of Wands. So I can see her, Sagittarius. Siguro kung parang lately, parang medyo parang immature. I will use the term immaturity. Parang siguro dati parang pabara-bara pa kayo sa mga decision nyo. Parang wala pa talaga sa tamang, what I'm saying is parang immature pa talaga kayo sa lahat ng aspeto. So, with this Queen of Wands, you are advised na parang mag-level up na in terms of maturity. So, Sagittarius, medyo i-ano nyo na yung pag-iisip nyo, i-advance nyo na parang tama na yung time na parang puro laro lang lahat sa inyo. So, I can see your Sagittarius na parang with the Queen of Wands. So, you need to continue at the maturity stage kasi parang sa palang yan, hindi na itong tamang panahon para makipagbiruan. So, lahat ng decision na gagawin mo ay kailangan pag-isipan mo mabuti, kailangan pag-aralan mabuti para, you cannot afford failure as of now. So, hindi ito ang tamang oras para mag-fail ka kasi sa dami nangyayari, mahirap na kung bumalik ka sa from the scratch again. So, with this Queen of Wands, you are advised to be matured or kailangan nasa maturity stage ka na. Okay? So, 3 of Wands, Sagittarius, you need to face the reality of life. Kailangan mong harapin ang mga problema. Kailangan mong, kailangan mo talaga siyang gawa ng paraan, hindi yung parang deadma lang. So, you need to make a way, you need to make a big decision. So, kailangan mo na pag-isip ng mga paraan para masolusyonan ang mga bagay-bagay na kinakaharap mo. If you want to be truly happy, if you want to be truly contented, you need to make a way. You need to do your part. Hindi pwedeng parang iasa mo lang sa iba, hindi yung mag-aantay ka na lang ng tulong. So, Sagittarius, kailangan mo matutong tumayo sa sarili mong mga paa. Kailangan mo talagang patunayan na, kumbaga, kaya mo naman o talagang may bubuga ka naman. So, this is about facing the reality, facing the situation with full confidence, Sagittarius. Okay? So, tama na yung parang pagmumokmok na parang nag-aantay ka ng mansanas bumagsak sa iyong harapan. So, this is not the best time. So, Sagittarius, it needs your conviction. It needs your will. Okay? Kailangan mo talagang gumawa ng paraan o talagang ikaw na mismo ang kailangang gumawa ng paraan. So, with this 3 of Pentacles, I can see here, Sagittarius, may mga pinasok kayo lately na parang mga transaction, mga communication, or parang arrangement. So, this is about communication. But with this 3 of Pentacles, so double check the terms and agreements, terms and conditions kasi baka mamaya hindi pala maganda yung catch nito kasi 3 of Pentacles, but this is a dark room, this is a dark corner for you. So, maaring baka mamaya maloko ka dito, baka mamaya parang hindi advantageous para sa iyo, parang lugi ka pa dito. So, kailangan pag-aralang mabuti, kailangan mo nang basahin ang mga dapat pirmahan, i-double check 100 and 1,000 times. So, para at least, kumbaga, hindi maging failure ang lahat para sa iyo. So Sagittarius for your fourth card, Tower. So this is a beautiful card for me. Why? Because Tower means and then may mga sitwasyon talaga na magtatapos para sa'yo whether you like it or not. So siguro kung may nag-hold on ka pa sa isang relationship, isang friendship, isang trabaho, isang sitwasyon na hindi na talaga healthy or hindi na talaga nakakatulong sa'yo in the long run, bagkos drain ka pa nito, ini-stress ka, talagang puro problema yung dala nito. So this is not the best time para panghawakan mo pa yan. So you need to move forward. Bitawan mo na yan, tapusin mo na yan with this Tower card. So you really need to make a way or to make a decision para kumbaga wakasan na yung toxic sitwasyon na yan kasi hindi na makakatulong sa'yo. So you need Sagittarius at this time kailangan talagang lahat ng mga ginagawa mo ay talagang nasa tama or nasa ayos na sitwasyon. So Tower means ending, closure. So kung ayaw mo, so si universe ang gagawa ng paraan para matapos yan. So, baka hindi mo pa magustuhan yung paraan, maybe painful pa. So, kung kaya mo naman sa Sagittarius, gawa ng paraan. So, make a way. So, kumilos ka na talaga. With the Page of Pentacles, pang-limang mong baraha Sagittarius sa iyong bonus reading. So, this is expect kung lately parang stagnant ang sitwasyon mo in terms of money, parang medyo matumal, medyo mabagal yung grow, medyo mabagal yung pasok ng kaperahan para sa iyo. With this Page of Pentacles is expect improvement in the upcoming days and weeks for you. So maybe you are waiting for something na related sa money, waiting for a result, waiting for a payment, waiting for a bonus, or maybe whatsoever na parang related about sa money. So expect a good result with this one. So this is not an overnight success in terms of money, but at least may improvement, may unti-unting darating, may unti-unting papasok para sa'yo. So i-claim mo na to and i-manifest mo na to, claim mo na to Sagittarius. But I can see here na darating na to not in the long time but in the soonest time for you Sagittarius. Okay? So before we proceed to our last 5 cards sa ating second row, ulitin ko kapag nagustuhan niyo pong ating reading at nakaresonate po kayo, huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-comment, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. And if you see this video sa ating TikTok, huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-follow, mag-comment rin po, like, share, and of course, don't forget to send me a direct message if you want to avail our personal reading. Okay? So, pang-anim mong baraha. So, sorry, yung damay ating 7 card. For your 6 card, I can see here with the 7 of Cups, Scorpio, ang daming options na maaaring pagpipilian sa'yo. This also signifies a lot of opportunities that will be opening on your door. So, kung lately parang medyo stagnant, sabi ko matumal, but now magiging busy ka, hindi ka magkanda-ugaga kung alin ang pipiliin mo, kung alin ang uunahin mo, alin ang pag-decide mo na pipiliin with this 7 of Cups. This is more on opportunities. This is a good problem for you kasi with this 7 of Cups, so expect more blessings, more opportunities that will be opening out your door. Okay? So, 9 of Pentacles, this is what is this stability in terms of money. Tingnan mo, so imagine ikaw itong knight na to, itong soldier na to, so galing ka sa isang laban, sa isang battle, but ikaw yung nanalo, you're holding the prize, which is the pentacle, which is money. And of course, look at the yellow color, so very vibrant color of joy and happiness. So you will be so happy kasi maaaring masusolusyonan mo ng problema mo sa pera, mga utang, mga bayarin. So ang katapat din ito is the 3 of Wands. So ba't kailangan ito ang may kasamang aksyon or pagkilos, hindi pwedeng mag-antay ka lang. So para itong stability na to ay mag-work para sa'yo o itong blessing na to ay dumating talaga para sa'yo. Samahan mo rin ng sipag or action, will, hindi pwedeng nakaupo ka lang antayin ito. So you need to make a way. You need to think of a lot of ways na talagang para patuloy na itong manifestations may talagang bumuhos na. So sasamahan mo ito ng kilos or sasamahan mo ito ng kumbaga ng galaw or action Sagittarius. Okay? So, for your 8 cards sa yung bonus reading, Queen of Swords. So, this is, the universe is telling you to be confident. Panindigan, tama na yung Sagittarius, yung panahon, yung oras na parang kinukonsider mo pa yung feelings ng ibang tao, kinukonsider mo pa yung baka masaktan si ganito kaya hindi ko ginagawa, baka maapektuhan siya, baka anong sasabihin niya, anong isipin niya. So tama na yun Sagittarius, you need to make decisions on your own way, on your own decision, on your own thinking. So hindi na pwedeng may kinukonsider ka bang ibang feelings and opinions ng ibang tao. So panindigan mo, ipakita mo na ito ang decision ko, ito yung gusto ko, ako ang boss, ako yung ganito. So hindi pwedeng baliin ito. So whatever will be the result, ako pa rin ang mananagot. So itama na yung parang i-consider mo. You're always kasi thinking of other people's opinion. So tama na yun. So kailangan ikaw na muna, sarili mo na muna unahin mo with the Queen of Swords. Six of Wands, I can see here improvement, elevation in terms of position. Career-wise, maaaring may promotion tayo nakikita dito. May mga Sagittarius na para makikilala ang galing, madidiscover ang galing nila kung ano man talent na meron sila. So, maraming tao ang kumbaga hahanga sa kanila. There are a lot of people that will be asking for their opinion sa mga Sagittarius. May manghihingi ng advice kasi nakita nila yung galing mo dito. So, talagang expect Sagittarius na yung pangalan mo ay mabibisi sa mga darating na panahon. Maraming tao ang hihingi ng advice mo, mai-inspire sa'yo, hahanga, titigala sa'yo. So, expect na rin yung promotion, elevation ng yung position na siguro lately talagang medyo stagnant, sinabi ko nga. So, but it will continue to flourish your name, papabanguhin, papasikatin ang pangalan mo. Kung ano man ang merong galing na meron ka, so the universe ang gagawa ng paraan para lalo kang mayagpag at ma-discover. Okay? 10th and last card is a very, very beautiful card. Magician. So, pareho sila magkatapat. Ang ganda ng kulay para yellow. Happiness and joy. Sagittarius, sabi ko, hindi na to surprise para sa'yo, kakambal nyo ang swerte. So, hindi surprise na lumabas sa inyo si Magician card. With the Magician card, expect impossible things turn possible. So, kung feeling nyo wala na talaga pag-asa, meron pa, may sorpresa pa, nasa dulo ang plot twist ng universe para sa inyo, Sagittarius. So, expect more blessings, expect more good news, abundance, prosperity for you. Problems being closed, being ended, being solved. So, no more worries, no more anxieties, no more depression. So, no more sleepless nights for you. So, parang gaganda nitong baraha. This is a message of hope for you in terms of finances. And an encouragement also for you, Sagittarius, to go out of your comfort zone. Ipakita mo yung assertiveness mo, yung will mo, yung commanding position mo. Talagang hindi ka na manghihingi ng opinion ng ibang tao, hindi ka na magpapapekto sa mga sasabihin nila. And all in all, I can see a very good future for you. Your name will be recognized, will be rewarded. So may recognition tayo nakikita dito. And with the Tower cards, expect endings, closure with the situations that are not working for you anymore and hinders your growth. Kumbaga, nagsiserve as blockages also sa blessings mo. May mga options na parating. So, more options and blessings and opportunities for you, Sagittarius. And with that, I hope and I pray na marami nasa sign na Sagittarius. So, makapanood to ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life, Sagittarius. Maraming salamat. Ulitin ko, kapag di ka pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe our channel, like, comment, and share. Kapag napanood nyo po sa TikTok, mag-follow na rin po kayo. And if you want to avail our personal reading, don't hesitate to send me a direct message. So, Tara444, maraming salamat mga pinamahal kong Sagittarius na soulmates sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita, mag-iingat nyo lagi. And God bless us all.